Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Wise customer support. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down wise.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, in the top right there's this help icon, select that. From the help you can also search by the any needed articles here. Or if you want to explore all the topics here, you can also explore the topics. If you have relatable issue with money, managing account or holding money, you can simply open one of the topic and over here, select one of the topic again and open this. And from here, you'll simply get this instruction. And if you need more help, what you can do is you need to go back again, scroll a bit down, and you'll find this contact us. You need to select that. And in order to contact, you need to log into their account. And from here, you can simply call the number +1-888-501-4041. Wise phone number lines are available for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And before contacting customer support, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.